It's really happening, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. You know what that sound is?
It's all right out of here.
All right, it's a green car. We're 47. I see green.
Let's do it. Go, 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 go. All right. 47.
I don't see it.
47. Whoa, oh!
This is it. Manifest.
Enter your code. Press enter.
Retinal scanner.
Retinal scan required.
Watch out.
Retinal scan required. Agent confirmed.
Ethan? Jeez, I thought you were dead.
We are.
Who's this?
Is it Donna Carter, William Brandt, chief analyst?
Analyst.
Agent confirmed.
Hur kommer livet på jorden att upphöra?
How will the world finally end?
Det är mitt jobb.
It is my job to predict the unthinkable.
Att leka med miljarders
To treat the
död.
death of billions as a game.
20 år.
After 20 years of this, I was numb
Plötsligt slog mig en
until a new question crossed my mind.
Vad händer efter
What happens
livet?
after the end of the world?
Are you sure your line is secure?
Varannat eller
Every 2 or 3 million years,
Are you certain your line is secure?
some natural catastrophe devastates all life on Earth. But life goes on,
kvar. Det finns
and what little remains is made stronger.
världens
Put simply,
förgörelse är-
world destruction is an unpleasant but necessary part of evolution. What happens then, I wondered, when mankind faces the next end of the world?
I don't care what you have to do to get him to Dubai. I'll make it worth his while. Just do it.
I look to Hiroshima,
Yeah.
Nagasaki,
I'll be waiting for your call.
thriving cities, rebuilt from the ashes, monuments to the unimaginable, dedicated to the concept of peace. It occurred to me here that nuclear war might have a place in the natural order, but only if it could be controlled, only if it touched every living soul
Jävlig.
equally.
IMF now believes this man, Kurt Hendricks, is a nuclear extremist, codenamed Cobalt.
Today he was seen leaving the Kremlin with what is likely a nuclear launch device. 2 days ago, Sabine Moreau killed one of our agents in Budapest and relieved him of Russian nuclear launch codes. Intel indicates she will check into the Burj Hotel in Dubai in 36 hours. Marius Wistrom is a known operative of Cobalt. Wistrom is currently en route to Dubai.
For the launch device to work, Cobalt needs the activation codes. He's sending Wistrom to buy them from Moreau.
The secretary is dead. The president has invoked Ghost Protocol. We're shut down. No satellite safe house, support, or extraction. The four of us and the contents of this car are all that remain of the IMF. And as of this moment, any action is unsanctioned. So if you want out, speak now. Our mission is Hendricks. We're all that stands between him and his goal. Nothing can be left to chance. Everyone connected with this man is considered an asset with valuable information about our target. No one can know we're still online. We lose Hendricks now, we lose him forever.
So, what's the play?
Wistrom will take delivery from Moreau in 36 hours. Now, we cannot let the launch codes leave the hotel, but we need Wistrom to lead us to Hendricks.
He'll only do that if he has the codes.
Or if he thinks he has them.
Our objective is to intercept the sale Replace the authentic codes with counterfeits and follow Wistrom to Hendricks.
Well, that's simple enough. We snatch the codes, we gin up some fakes. Jane, you double Moreau and sell the codes to Wistrom, and Bob's your uncle.
And how do you propose that we just snatch the codes from Moreau?
We take her out.
Yeah, we take her out, but, you know, discreetly.
Discreetly.
Yeah.
Right, she's an asset.
Right.
I get it. Sorry. Nothing left to chance, he said. I'm spitballing, you know? It's not all gonna be gold.
We don't touch Wistrom.
All right.
Or Moreau. Now, she'll answer for Hanaway, but it has to be when I say. After we get Hendricks. Only pack what we need.
Yeah, absolutely. Only pack what we... You never know.